Hi, Carter. Good morning, Carter. Where's the baby? Where is he? Uh-oh. You've got the hiccups. Oh no, he's got the hiccups. He's got the hiccups, that poor guy. Yes.